this here is the Horseshoe Falls. It's the Canadian side of the falls. The lighting isn't the greatest here. It is a very overcast, as you can see. But still not bad. It's not ridiculously cold. It is cold, but not ridiculously cold. Casino up in the background out there, some hotels and stuff like that. So I'll show you the entire park system. In the summer and the spring, it's really nice because there's a lot of gardens and stuff like that. Well, all the garden beds are full of flowers and stuff like that. To give you some perspective of positioning, that is the American side there, Buffalo across there, as we were talking about earlier. And this is the Canadian side there. Up there, up in that direction up there, there's the tourist center. So we're gonna walk up there and see what there is.
How did you I know that.
So this area here is the Welcome Center, and got the hotels up there, Embassy Suites and all that. The Welcome Center is right here. All that tourist stuff is in there. And this is the view right up top of the falls now. The tourists are just piling in now, boy. I think it's tourist season right now. Look at that. So we're back. Nighttime now, same falls area, and this is all the Embassy Suites and all that stuff like that. The Festival of Lights is going on right now, so that is why you're seeing all these lights. And what the Uber driver told us is that this year they used 2 million light bulbs, I believe, something like that. So we were here earlier, if you guys recall. There's hardly anybody here now. Everybody's like inside. But the falls is all lit up. The water is running right here. But I'll give you guys a good view pretty soon. We'll work our way down this direction here so I can show you much better. Make our way down. See the sort of skyline all the way down. Big Ferris wheel. That. It's kind of spooky, boy. Anyways, that's the Ferris wheel that you're seeing down there. That's the top of Clifton Hill. Perspective of where we are. Got the casino up there, Embassy Suites. This is again, this is the sort of visitor center, welcome center. It is getting pretty cold out here, boy. Just waiting for the fireworks now to see what happens.